So student, today we are going to start the internal migration. When a people move to a new home within the same country is called the internal migration. When a people move within a same country is called internal migration. The migration of people may be rural or urban. From all the small urban areas to a large urban area in search of better opportunities. For example, example of the internal migration. The international migration. When a people cross an international border to move a new home in a different country is called an international or a external migration. External migration may be intercontinental or intracontinental, between the continents and between the countries in the same continent. The migration of Europeans to different parts of Asia, Africa, America and Australia to set the colonies is called an intercontinental migration. After the partition of 1947, a large number of people migrate between India and Pakistan depending on where they wish to settle. This is called an intracontinental migration. So depending on the wish we settle in the same continent, so it is called an intracontinental migration. Then what are the causes of the migration? Why the people migrate? People migrate for the various reasons. They compare the advantage and disadvantages staying where they are moving to a new place. What they are thinking first, the advantage and disadvantage of staying. Other factors like a distance, terrain, travel cost, travel time, modes of transportation and the culture barrier also influence the decision to migrate. The cause of migration may be grouped into two categories. That is, first is the push factor and is the pull factor. The migration may be divided into two parts. Push factor. The difficulty that cause people to immigrate are called the push factors. Some of the push factors are as follows. He is migrating, or any person is migrating due to shortage of food, shortage of job, low earning and stable economic condition, lack of amenities such as good housing, transport, power supply, medical facilities, war, natural disaster, then hostility, ill treatment because of race, religious beliefs, social practices and political ideas. That means these are the things that people want to migrate. These are the reasons. Another is the pull factors. What are the pull factors? The factors that attract the immigrant to certain place are called the pull factors. Some of the major pull factors are the abundance of food, higher earning and better environment, better amenities, political stability, low risk in natural disaster. So people want to live in such a place. Racial equality, religious freedom and freedom to thought and expression. That means push and pull. What they are just opposite. He want to live in a good where the shortage of food is not there, where low risk of natural disaster is there. Then there is a racial equality and freedom of thought and expression. So there are two reasons of push and pull to migrate.